Students, today we will find the radius of curvature of this watch glass using spherometer. So first of all, see how to find the pitch of this spherometer. So to find pitch of this spherometer, just have a look of the circular scale over here. It is marked from 0 to 100. So we have another vertical scale which have 0 in the center and 10 millimeters above 0 and 10 millimeters below 0. So to find pitch of this spherometer, we just adjust this spherometer, the circular scale 0 coinciding with the 0 of vertical scale. Then we will rotate the circular scale 4 times. This is first time, now second time, third time and fourth time. Now we will look into the vertical scale, that how much distance is covered. So by looking into vertical scale, we can find that 4 millimeters distance is displaced. So we will write here the distance moved on vertical scale equal to 4 mm. Number of rotations given to circular scale equal to 4. So we will divide these two to find the pitch of this spherometer. 4 mm divided by 4, so which will come out to be 1 mm. So we will change this pitch into centimeters, so which will be equal to 0.1 centimeter. So this spherometer has 0.1 centimeter pitch. Now we have to find the least count of this spherometer. So to find least count, we will just divide the pitch by the number of divisions on this circular scale. So it is clear that these divisions are 100 in count. So dividing pitch by 100, 0.1 centimeter divided by 100, so it comes out to be 0.001 centimeters. So now we have pitch of this spherometer as well as the least count for this spherometer. Starting the procedure for to find the radius of curvature of this. So we will unscrew it, then place the spherometer over the spherical body. So we are tightening the screw when the tip of the center needle just touches the upper surface. So we can check this by small piece of paper that it is in contact, so it is moving beneath. So we have to tighten this a little bit. So now the paper does not go through the tip, so therefore our reading is ready. So students, we will see that this reading is 8 units above 0. So we will write here as the initial reading 8. Now we will place this spherometer on the flat surface then rotating it till this tip touches the level. So it has taken one complete rotation from 8. Now it has again touched the surface. So it has covered 2 complete rotations. So we will write here the value of n as 2. Then checking the final reading, it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will write the final reading as 4. Now we have to calculate the m. So m is x minus y. So we have x as 8 and y is 4. Therefore we will use x minus y. If this initial reading is less than the final reading, then we will use m equal to 100 plus x minus y. So if this was less than 4, so then we will have to add 100 in this reading and subtract final reading. So now we are using the x minus y formula because our first reading is greater than final reading. So it is 8 minus 4. So m is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now we have to calculate the h. We have the formula for h, n multiplied by pitch. So n is our total number of rotations. So this is 2 multiplied by pitch. Pitch we have already calculated as 0.1 centimeter plus m times m is 4 least count. Least count is 0.001. So by calculating so this comes out to be 0.2 plus 0.004, which will in turn give us 0.204 centimeters. So in this way, the same way, we can place this spherometer on another part and taking the same set of readings. So it has readings 0.292, 0.196, 196, 0.205, 0.185, 187. So mean is 0.215. Then we have to calculate the L. What is L? We have to place this spherometer over the sheet and just pressing it little down. So we will observe we have 3 dots, 1, 2 and 3. So then with the help of a scale, we will find the distance of these points. This way, on this side and for this side. So it is already done. Let this be P, Q and R. So by finding this length is 3.2, Q are 3 and 3.2, taking its mean, it will be 3.133. So now we have L is equal to 3.133, H we have and mean L. So putting these values in the formula, R equals L square over 6H plus H by 2. So after calculating this, it comes out to be 7.716 centimeters, which is the radius of curvature of this spherical watch glass. Any questions, students?
So what is the procedure for finding L?
The procedure of finding L is very easy. We will take this spherometer and put on your notebook then gently press it with your thumb. So we will observe three dots, then finding the distance between these three dots. So you have to find the distance PQ, PR and QR. So then PQ plus QR plus PR, and take the mean of these three distances, you will get the value of L. Any other?
Sir, why are we given it with two formulas for finding M?
We have two formulas for calculating M, because if you have x less than y, then it will give you a negative value for M. So that's why for getting a positive value of M, we have to add 100 to the initial value of spherometer, then subtract it with the final value. So this is why we use two formulas. So it depends upon whether your value x is less than y or y is less than x. So it depends. Any other?
What is the radius of a solar sphere?
Actually, the radius of curvature is this watch glass is crafted from a spherical glass, hollow glass sphere. So we will first make a hollow glass sphere, then cut small portions like this watch glass over that sphere. So the radius of that sphere from which this watch glass is crafted out is the radius of curvature of this watch glass. Clear? Any other questions? So thank you, students. Thank you very much.